your girl Renee, and I'm outside in my backyard, and I wanted to show you what I did. I took this one cucumber that's in my B team, and it's the cucumber burpless that I planted on 2/1/21. So I said I'm gonna test the water to see if this thing can survive outside, because my plants are getting to the point where they are just getting too big and the flowers are rolling big time. So I said I'm gonna just throw them out there and see how it does. So it's been out here for maybe 4 days, and at first when I put it out here, the leaves and stuff look all wilted and they looked like they weren't going to survive, but it's been doing good. I gave it a good drink of water, gave it some nice amendments. So look, it's already got blooms on it. So this one looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do today is I've got a zucchini plant that I'm going to test out on my bee team and see how it does. So let me bring you over here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing. This is my zucchini, and this one is the Black Beauty. See, when I planted that bad boy, so this zucchini is going to go into this pot. It looks pretty healthy. This is the one that's been on my windowsill, and seeing it's got flowers already trying to bloom, and I've seen that there's some bees out here, so I don't think I'll have any problems with the pollination part of this plant, because the bees will be ready to do what they do. So I'm going to take all the dead part off of it, and we are going to put this healthy, beautiful zucchini in this pot. Let me bring it down some more so you'll see what pot is going to be going in this pot. Let me see if I can bring you up some more, and hopefully you can see the pot. Yeah, this pot right here is where this zucchini's doing. It's gonna go, so I'm gonna put a little bit of blood meal in there. I already got some bone meal in there, and so I'm going to just move it around, and we're gonna say a nice little prayer over the zucchini that it has done its best, and now it's got to go into its permanent home. Root system looks good. So we're just going to stick it, and I got a trellis over there that I will be having this on, so it will survive. So I'm going to try not to break any of the leaves or anything. And I've got some dirt in this pot right here, so I'm going to put some of that around it so I can make it sturdy, stabilize it, push it down, because Miss Renee's got to do something, because my plants in the house are just telling me they want to go out. So I'm going to answer their calls, and I'm going to get them out. I might have to get a stick later on and give it a little bit more support. But for now, I think that trellis that I have over there will do the trick. So I'm just pushing it in, and I'm being really gentle with it. And we gonna see what this plant does. I love how healthy it is. This plant is looking so good. So good. Love it. Pack it in good. Yeah. Alright, let's take it over to the trellis, and we will put it on the trellis and let it do what it do. Come on, let's take it over there. Let's take it over there, you guys. Give you a little bit of the scenery as we take it to its permanent home. So this is where I'm gonna stick it. You see, because their trellis is right here. So I'm gonna move that over, and we're gonna stick this so it'll go up onto the trellis. Move the bucket under it. Get some support. And let it do what it do. Stick those pieces in there so it can grow. Hopefully the bees will find this beautiful flower. See, it's got beautiful flowers. Got a beautiful flower there. Got a beautiful flower there. Let me bring you up a little closer so you'll see. See these flowers? Come on now. You know them bees are going to be loving that flower. So I'll put some water on it and we will see what it does. I think it'll do great because like I said, we're supposed to be getting rain today. So that should help it. All right, bee zucchini. Oh, let me go get the ticket to put it in there. A little tag in here so I'll know. And it's got company because it's got the cucumber over there to kind of keep it company and talk to it and tell them, hey, I was out here before you and I survived, so you're going to be just as happy and you will do just as I am doing, surviving. All right, let's go ahead and let's harvest those collard greens. Let me take you over there. Come on. So I've been wanting to get these collard greens out of here forever. So let's come on down here. Remember these greens because they're starting to go to seed. So I want to make sure I get these collard greens before they do. These are so pretty. It just breaks my heart to have to take this apart. But I have to do what I got to do. So I'm going to take these collard greens. I'm going to be cooking these up with some salmon tonight. And it's going to be a delicious, delicious, delicious dinner. Even got some more buds on these things. Keep all my greens in here. Because some good eating. And I'll leave the top part because that's the part that's going to seed. So I want the seeds from these greens. Good one, the bottom ones. Good greens. Nothing goes to waste. Miss Renee's garden. Look at these. How pretty those are. See them good collard greens right there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Thank goodness Rocky don't like collard greens, or I wouldn't be having none. Tender ones are the best ones. So these will be enough for one little small meal. I'll leave those to do what they do. You can take that little leaf, because that's the tender one. So I did pretty good. So now see where the seeds are at the top? I'm going to let those go to seed, because I need to have the seeds from that particular one. Let's go over here and see if we have anything else that we can harvest. Let's see. We got this one over here, and this one is a big mamma jamma. And we'll see how much I can get off here. But some of these lower ones, I'm sure, are already too tough, so we won't take those. But we'll take the bottom ones for sure. And then just cut off what we don't need. And then we're going to eat on these too. And I think I've noticed that. I think I do better with my brassicas in the fall. Because then they can still be producing now before they start to bolt. And then I can still, I think I get better harvest off of them in the fall and now than I do planting them in the spring and summer, because then I don't have to worry about all them bugs and stuff. And there's nothing worse than fighting them doggone bugs, because I saw that little white butterfly. I saw her flying around yesterday. She was out there trying to stake her territory, trying to find a spot where she could lay them eggs. And that is not going to happen. This one is not a good one. So let's check out our harvest. Let's check out what we got. Let's see, let's see. Alright guys, let's see what we have received. Let's see. Alright, so I think we did a good harvest here. We got some pretty good sized leaves here. Very nice size. See? So I don't think I'm going to be disappointed. I got some good looking cabbage. Alright guys, I just wanted to bring you along to show you that I'm throwing my B team out of my cucumbers and zucchini, and I harvest the last bit of my collard greens. Alright, hope you guys are having a blessed day. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and Miss Renee will see you in the next what video. Alright guys, love you all. Take care. Bye.